Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. In this chapter, we explore the foundational steps for preparing medicinal remedies in the comfort of your home. By focusing on natural ingredients, we emphasize their accessibility and the potential health benefits they offer. Using items commonly found in your kitchen or garden, you can create effective treatments for everyday ailments. This approach not only supports wellness, but also encourages sustainable and mindful living. Before beginning any home remedy preparation, it's important to gather the right tools and equipment. Essential items include clean glass jars for storage, measuring spoons and cups for accuracy, and a mortar and pestle for grinding herbs. You may also need a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to filter liquids, as well as a small saucepan for heating mixtures. Ensuring all equipment is thoroughly cleaned helps maintain safety and effectiveness in your remedies. Identifying high-quality medicinal plants begins with understanding their unique characteristics, such as leaf shape, color, and aroma. Sourcing these plants responsibly is essential to preserve natural habitats and maintain biodiversity. Sustainable harvesting involves collecting only what is needed, allowing plants to regenerate and ensuring future availability. Ethical gathering practices also include respecting local regulations and traditional knowledge, as well as avoiding endangered species. By following these guidelines, we can support both our health and the environment. When preparing homemade remedies, following safety guidelines is crucial to ensure both purity and effectiveness. Always use clean utensils and containers and wash your hands thoroughly before handling any ingredients. Store your remedies in airtight containers away from direct sunlight and moisture to prevent contamination. Label each preparation with its contents and date to monitor freshness. By maintaining strict hygiene practices, you can help safeguard your health and maximize the benefits of your homemade solutions. Properly drying medicinal herbs is essential to maintain their potency and extend their shelf life. The process typically involves harvesting herbs at their peak, then air drying them in a well-ventilated, shaded area to prevent loss of essential oils and nutrients. Once dried, herbs should be stored in airtight containers away from direct sunlight and moisture to protect them from degradation. Preserving herbs in this way helps retain their therapeutic properties for months or even years. By following these steps, you ensure that your medicinal herbs remain effective and safe for future use. Begin by selecting fresh or dried herbs, ensuring they are clean and free from contaminants. For herbal teas, simply steep the herbs in hot water for several minutes, then strain and enjoy. Tinctures require soaking herbs in alcohol or vinegar for several weeks, shaking the mixture daily before straining. Infusions are made by pouring boiling water over herbs and letting them steep for a longer period, often in a covered container. Beginners should start with small batches, label their preparations clearly, and always research the safety and recommended dosages of each herb. Creating soothing salves and ointments at home is easier than you might think. By using simple, natural ingredients such as beeswax, coconut oil, and herbal extracts, you can address common ailments like dry skin, minor cuts, or muscle aches. These homemade remedies not only avoid harsh chemicals, but also allow you to customize blends to suit your specific needs. With just a few steps, you can craft effective, gentle solutions that support everyday wellness. Creating syrups and decoctions for respiratory and digestive health is a simple process that starts with selecting readily available herbs. For respiratory support, ingredients like thyme, licorice root, and ginger are commonly used, while peppermint and fennel are popular choices for digestive wellness. To make a decoction, herbs are simmered gently in water to extract their beneficial compounds. Syrups are prepared by combining these herbal extracts with honey or sugar, resulting in a soothing and palatable remedy. With basic kitchen tools and easy-to-find herbs, you can craft effective natural solutions to support your well-being. Proper labeling is essential when preparing homemade remedies. Clearly mark each container with the name of the remedy, its ingredients, and the date it was made. Store your remedies in clean, airtight containers, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures to preserve their effectiveness. Always follow recommended dosage guidelines, starting with small amounts to monitor any reactions. By taking these precautions, you help ensure the safety and reliability of your homemade solutions. Many people have questions when preparing home remedies, especially regarding ingredient substitutions and proper storage. It's important to use fresh, high-quality ingredients to ensure effectiveness and safety. If a remedy doesn't seem to work as expected, double-check measurements and preparation steps, as small errors can impact results. Common concerns include how long a remedy will keep and whether it can be refrigerated or frozen. Most should be stored in airtight containers away from direct sunlight. If you experience any irritation or unexpected side effects, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. In this chapter, we've explored the fundamental principles behind creating natural remedies, highlighting essential ingredients and preparation techniques. We've learned how simple, everyday items can be transformed into effective solutions for common ailments. The importance of safety and proper dosage was emphasized, ensuring that these remedies are both beneficial and safe to use. Now, with this knowledge in hand, you are encouraged to experiment and discover which natural remedies work best for you. Embracing this hands-on approach can lead to a deeper understanding of holistic wellness. In the next chapter, we will delve into advanced techniques and explore innovative applications for medicinal plants. This journey will uncover practical strategies and expert insights to help you make the most of nature's remedies. For more practical tips and comprehensive guides, stay connected with SMART-AGRI Hub. Your path to mastering medicinal plant cultivation continues here.